Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel LabTech World. Myself Kishore Waghani, and today we are going to discuss DSSSB, that is Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board Lab Technician Exam question paper. This exam was held on 26th of April 2015. This question paper is divided into two sections, that is section A and section B. Section A contains the questions of general knowledge, English grammar and language, Hindi grammar and language, and questions of maths and reasoning, that is from question number 1 to 100. And in section B contains the questions related to the post or subject related questions, that is the questions of laboratory technician from question number 101 to 200. So we will directly start with question number 101 without wasting your precious time. Before starting the solution of this question paper, I would like to request, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel LabTech World and press the bell icon to enable all notifications for my next upcoming videos, because in this channel I am regularly uploading the videos of MCQs with explanation, question papers with solution, and notifications of various recruitments for the post of lab technician. That is going to be very helpful for those who are preparing for the government jobs in various states for the post of lab technician. Let's start today's question paper. Question number 101. Question number 101. Which is known as the power of the cell? Options are A. Ribosome, B. Cytoplasm, C. Lysosomes, D. Mitochondria. And as all of you know, it is option D. Mitochondria is known as the power or powerhouse of the cell. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Whereas talking about other options, ribosome is known as the protein factory of the cell, and lysosomes are known as the suicide bag of the cell. So here option D is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 102. How many iron atoms present in the each molecule of Hb? And the options are A1, B2, C3, D4. Fact available regarding this question, it is there are 4 atoms in each molecule of Hb, which accordingly can bind with the 4 molecules of oxygen. So from the given information we can say option D, 4 is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 103. Which coagulation factor is lacking in the hemophilia? And the options are A factor 8, B factor 4, C factor 2, D factor 7. And the fact or information available regarding this question, it is hemophilia, particularly hemophilia A, is a hereditary bleeding disorder caused by the lack of blood clotting factor 8. Without it, blood cannot clot properly to control the bleeding. So we can say it is option A, factor 8 is the correct answer for this question as per the information. Move to the next question number 104. Volume change in the heart is recorded by which instrument? And the options are A thermometer, B cardiometer, C calorimeter, D oximeter. And the fact available regarding this question, it is thermometer is used to measure the fluctuation in the temperature, whereas cardiometer is an instrument used for measuring the intracardiac blood pressure or volume change in the heart. Talking about calorimeter, calorimeter is the instrument used to measure level of energy, and in last, oximeter is the instrument that is used to measure oxygen level of the blood. So from the given information we can say it is option B, cardiometer is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 105. Temporary cessation of breathing is called option A hypoxia, B anoxemia, C anoxia, D. apnea. And the fact available regarding this question, it is apnea is the cessation of breathing. During apnea there is not movement of muscles of inhalation. So due to the cessation of the muscles of inhalation, it is temporary cessation of breathings occur. So it is option D, apnea. That means the temporary cessation of breathing. So D is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 106. Normal tidal volume is about option A 0.5 to 1 liter, number B 1.5 to 2 liter, C 2 to 2.5 liters, D 2.5 to 3 liters. And the information available regarding this question, it is tidal volume is the amount of air that moves in or out of the lung with each respiratory cycles, and it is generally 0.5 to 1 liter. So option A 0.5 to 1 liter is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 107. Which instrument is used for determination of BMR? And the options are option A manometer, B photometer, C spectrometer, D spirometer. And the information available regarding this question, it is manometer is used to measure pressure, photometer is used for measuring radiation, spectrometer is used for the measuring the wavelength of the light, while spirometer is the instrument that is used to measure BMR, that is basal metabolic rate. So it is option D, spirometer is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 108. What is the average daily requirement for insulin? And the options are A 30 to 50 units per day, B 50 to 70 units per day, C 70 to 90 units per day, D 90 to 110 units per day. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A 30 to 50 units per day is the average daily requirement of insulin, that you can remember for this question. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 109. What is the normal blood cholesterol level? And the options are A 150 to 250 milligram percentage, B 250 to 350 milligram percentage, C 350 to 450 milligram percentage, C D 450 to 500 milligram percentage. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A 150 to 250 milligram percentage is the normal blood cholesterol level, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 1110. What is the normal serum creatinine level? And the options are A 0.5 to 1 milligram percentage, B 1.5 to 2.5 milligram percentage, C 0.1 to 0.4 milligram percentage, D 2.5 to 3.5 milligram percentage. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A 0.5 to 1 milligram percentage is the normal serum creatinine level. So the correct answer for this question, it is option A, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 111, that is 111. Which disease occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A? And the options are A xerophthalmia, B rickets, C osteomalacia, D beriberi. The information available regarding all these options: xerophthalmia is the disease that causes dry eyes due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Rickettsia is the disease that occurs due to the deficiency of calcium or vitamin D. Osteomalacia is the softening of the bone due to the deficiency of vitamin D, and beriberi is the disorder occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, that is thiamine. So from the given information, we can say option A xerophthalmia is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 112. What is the normal daily requirement of vitamin D? And the options are option A 500 international unit, B 1000 international unit, C 1500 international unit, D 2000 international unit. And the correct answer for this question, it is Option B, 1000 international unit is the normal daily requirement of vitamin D, that you can remember for this question. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 113. What is the glomerular filtration rate? And the options are A, 50 ml per minute, B, 80 ml per minute, C, 130 ml per minute, D, 200 ml per minute. And the information available regarding this question, it is glomerular filtration rate or GFR. For men it is 100 to 130 ml per minute, and for female it is generally around 90 to 120 ml per minute. So from the given information we can say option C, 130 ml per minute is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 100. What is the normal concentration of iodine in blood? And the options are option A, 0.5 to 1 milligram percentage, B, 1.5 to 2 milligram percentage, C, 0.1 to 0.4 milligram percentage, D, 2 to 2.5 milligram percentage. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A, 0.5 to 1 milligram percentage is the normal concentration of iodine in the blood, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 115. Which test is done to determine pregnancy? And the options are A, Ashheim-Jondex test, B, Friedman's test, C, Cooperman's test, D, all of the above. Talking about all these questions, Ashheim-Jondex test is a pregnancy test that is usually carried out in the mice, whereas Friedman's test is a type of test that is used to detect pregnancy in rabbit. And talking about Cooperman's test is a modified test of Ashheim-Jondex test, which is also usually carried out in the detecting pregnancy in mice. So from the given information we can say all the options given over here are the examples of tests that are used to determine the pregnancy. So option D, all of the above, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 116. Which immunoglobulin is forms antibody in an anaphylactic reaction? And the options are option A, IgA, B, IgE, C, IgD, and option D, IgM. And as per the information, it is anaphylactic reaction is an allergic reaction. So in this condition immunoglobulin is formed during anaphylactic reaction. So option B, IgE, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 117. The main fiber arises from the body of each nerve is called option A, dendrite, option B, axon, C, elastic fiber, D, dense fiber. And the information available regarding this question, it is axon is the main nerve fiber arises from the body of the each nerve cell with myelin sheath. For that you can remember or see the figure of the neuron or nerve cell. And as per the information we can say it is option B, axon, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 118. Inflammation of vein complicated by an obstructing clot is known as option A, venous thrombosis, B, thrombus, C, thrombophlebitis, D, embolus. And the fact available regarding this question, it is thrombophlebitis is due to one or more blood clots in a vein that causes inflammation. So as per the information we can say it is option C, thrombophlebitis, is the correct answer for this question, that causes the inflammation of vein complicated by an obstructing clot. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 119. There are how many pairs of cranial nerves? And the options are A, 3 pair, B, 6 pair, C, 9 pairs, D, 12 pairs. And the information available regarding this question, it is there are 12 pairs or total 24 number of cranial nerves that are present in the that arises from the brain that connects brain and various parts of the head. Talking about the other nerves that are known as the spinal nerves arises from the spinal cord, and there are total 31 pair of spinal nerves, which is further subdivided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal nerves. Consist of 8 pairs of cervical nerves, 12 pair of thoracic nerves, 5 pairs of lumbar nerves, 5 pairs of sacral nerves and 1 pair of coccygeal. So total 31 pairs of spinal nerves are also there, arises from the spinal cord. But for this question it is 12 pair. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 120. Inability to see in dim light is known as option A, myopia, B, color blindness, C, presbyopia, D, night blindness. And the information available regarding this question, it is night blindness is an inability to see well at night or in poor or dim light conditions, and color blindness is the person's inability to differentiate colors due to genetical problem for cone cells of the retina. So it is quite different, color blindness and night blindness. And for this question we can say it is option D is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 121. Product of digested food in the stomach is called as option A, gastric juice, B, lymph, C, chyme, D, bolus. And the information available regarding this question, it is chyme is a thick semi-fluid mass of partially digested food and digestive secretions that is formed in the stomach. So it is chyme is the correct answer for this question. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 122. Which vitamin is also called as calciferol? And the options are A, vitamin A, B, vitamin D, C, vitamin E, and D of vitamin K. And the information available regarding this question, it is vitamin A is known as the ranitol, vitamin D is known as the calciferol, whereas the vitamin E is the known as the tocopherol. So from the given information we can say option B, vitamin D is the correct answer for this question, which is also known as the calciferol, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 123. Microscopic study of abnormal tissues of the body is known as option A, histology, B, cytology, C, histopathology, D, genetics. And the correct answer for this question, it is option C, histopathology is the branch that deals with the microscopic study of abnormal tissues of the body. So option C is the correct answer for this question, that you have to remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 124. Which fixative is used for the study of ultrastructure in electron microscope? And the options are A, picric acid, B, glutaraldehyde, C, chromic acid, D, Halley's fluid. And the information available regarding this question, it is aldehyde such as glutaraldehyde may be used for electron microscopy because they are good at preserving structures and quick penetration rate, with secondary fixative osmium tetroxide to preserve lipid contents of the cell. So basically it is glutaraldehyde. Option B is the correct answer for this question, which is used as a fixative in study of ultrastructure in electron microscope. Move to the next question, number 125. Which fixative is mainly used for demonstration of enzymes? And the options are A, acetone, B, formalin, C, Janker's solution, D, bovine's fluid. And the information available regarding this question, it is chilled acetone or alcohol is used as the fixative mainly to demonstrate the enzymes. So option A acetone is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 126. In freezing microtome, which gas is used? And the options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Lithium, D. Hydrogen. Information available regarding this question, it is: in freezing microtome, carbon dioxide is most commonly used. Liquid nitrogen is another substance that can be used for the freezing the tissues, but in general it is carbon dioxide is used. So we can say it is option B, carbon dioxide is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 127. Which technique is used in histology for immediate diagnosis? Options are A. Paraffin technique, B. Frozen section, C. Celloidine section, D. Gelatin sections. And the correct answer for this question, it is option B. Frozen section is the technique which is used in the histology for immediate diagnosis, that you can remember for this question. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 128. Sudan 4 stain is used for tissue biopsy of option A. Kidney, B. Breast, C. Gallbladder, D. Lungs. And the fact available regarding this question is Sudan 4, also known as the scarlet red, is used to stain triglyceride, lipid and lipoproteins present in the cells and tissue, especially in breast. So from the given information we can say it is option B, breast is the correct answer for this question, for which Sudan 4 stain is used. Move to the next question number 129. Lung cancer is diagnosed with the help of which specimen? And the options are A. Sputum, B. Urine, C. Gastrointestinal biopsy, D. Saliva. And the information available regarding this question, it is sputum cytology or X-ray of lung gives the idea about the lung cancer. So we can say usually sputum sample or specimen should be collected to detect or diagnose the lung cancer. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 130. Vaginal smears are valuable for assessment of option A. Malignancy, B. Endocrine disorders, C. Hormonal function, D. UTI, urinary tract infection. And the correct answer for this question, it is generally valuable in the hormonal, detecting the or diagnosing the hormonal function or assessment of the hormonal function. Option C is the correct answer for this question, that you can remember for this particular question. The next question number 131. FNAC is used for the lesions of option A. Skin, B. Lymph nodes, C. Breast, D. All of the above. And all of you should know it is used for the all of the above, that is skin, lymph nodes and breast and any tumors. So here option D, all of the above, is the correct answer for this question, for which FNAC is fine needle aspiration cytology is used. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 132. Which hemoglobin is detected by Sally's method? And the options are A. Carboxyhemoglobin, B. Sulf hemoglobin, C. Methemoglobin, D. Oxyhemoglobin. And the correct answer for this question, it is option D. In Sally's method for hemoglobin estimation, it is oxyhemoglobin is detected by the Sally's method. So option D is the correct answer for this question, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question number 133. The color pigment present in HB is known as option A. Globin, B. Iron, C. Heme, D. Bilirubin. And it is also one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question, it is option C. Heme is the color pigment that is present in the hemoglobin. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 134. Which is the smallest cell in cellular component of blood? And the options are A. RBCs, B platelets, C WBCs, D reticulocytes. And the correct answer for this question, it is option B. Platelet is the smallest cell in the cellular components of blood, whereas largest cell is the monocytes with the 15 to 18 micrometer size, and the size of platelet it is generally around 2 to 4 micrometer. So it is platelet. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 135. Removal of how much ml of blood results in loss of 1 milligram of iron? And the options are A 1 ml, B 2 ml, C 3 ml, D 4 ml. Information available regarding this question, it is 1 ml blood contains 0.5 milligram of iron. So it is removal of 2 ml of blood will result into the loss of 1 gram of iron. So option B 2 ml is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 136. The process of production of blood is known as option A erythropoiesis, B hemopoiesis, C erythropoietin, D hemostasis. Talking about all the options, erythropoiesis is the process of production of particularly RBCs. Hemopoiesis is the process of production of all blood cells. Erythropoietin is nothing but hormone that protects RBCs against destruction, and hemostasis is a natural reaction of body to injury that stops bleeding and repairs the damage. So as per the information, we can say it is option B. Hemopoiesis is the process of production of blood. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 137. A condition in which RBC count is increased is known as option A anemia, B polycythemia, C thalassemia, D leukemia. And the fact available regarding this question, it is polycythemia is the condition where total count of RBCs is increases, whereas in leukemia it is total count of WBC is increased. So we can say it is option B polycythemia is the condition or correct answer for this question, where total RBC count is increases. Move to the next question, number 138. Reticulocytes are stained with which type of stains? And the options are A crystal violet, B hematoxylin stain, C brilliant crescent blue, D eosine. And the fact available regarding this question, it is reticulocytes are based on generally stains with the brilliant crescent blue. Nowadays a new methylene blue is replaced by the brilliant crescent blue for staining the reticulocytes, which has several advantages over the brilliant crescent blue. So option C brilliant crescent blue is the correct answer for this question. If it is new methylene blue is available in the option, you have to go with the new methylene blue. Move to the next question, number 139. Which method is used for the estimation of ESR? And the options are A Western-Grange method, B Duke's method, C Sally's method, D Ivy's method. One of the easiest question. Talking about Western-Grange method is used for the ESR estimation. Duke's method and Ivy's method are the methods for measuring the bleeding time, and Sally's method is used for the HB estimation. So from the given information, we can say it is option A Western-Grange method is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 140. A fall in leukocyte count below 400 cells per cubic millimeter in blood is called option A leukocytosis, B thrombocytopenia, C leukopenia, D leukemia. And the fact available regarding all these options, leukocytosis is the increase in the WBCs more than 11,000 cells per cubic millimeter. Thrombocytopenia is the condition where count of platelet is abnormally decreases, and leukopenia is the condition where total count of leukocyte is decreases below 4,000 per cells per cubic millimeter. And leukemia is the condition is known as the blood cancer in which total number of WBCs are increases. So it is option C. Leukopenia is the condition where WBCs are decreases below 400 cells per cubic millimeter. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 141. Which stain is routinely used for differential count? And the options: A. Leishman stain, B. Albert stain, C. Gram stain, D. Akridin stain. And the fact available regarding this question, it is Leishman stain is the stain that is used generally in the differential count of blood cells. Albert stain is the stain used for staining fungi, and Gram stain is the bacterial stain that is used to differentiate gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So from the given information we can say it is option A. Leishman stain is the differential count stain that is used routinely in hematology. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 142. Platelets have which colored granules? And the options are: A. Blue black, B. Pink to red, C. Yellowish green, D. Pink purple. And the correct answer for this question, it is option D. Pink purple is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next. You can remember this answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 143. How many lobes are present in neutrophils? And the options are: A. 1 to 2, B. 2 to 6, C. 2 to 3, D. 5 to 10. One of the easiest question but mostly confusing, and the correct answer for this question, you can remember for this question, it is option B. 2 to 6 lobes are present generally in the neutrophils. So option B is the correct answer for this question, not option C. Move to the next question, number 144. Which leukocyte protects our body against allergic reaction and parasitic infections? And the options are: A. Neutrophil, B. Eosinophil, C. Lymphocytes, D. Macrophages. And it is also one of the easiest question, and the allergic condition we are knowing that eosinophil counts is increased, so it is eosinophils that protects our body from allergic conditions and parasitic infections. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 145. In children, bone marrow biopsy is taken from option A. Proximal tibia, B. Ribs, C. Iliac crest, D. Vertebral bodies. And the information available regarding this question, it is in children bone marrow biopsy sample is taken from proximal tibia, whereas in infant the sample for bone marrow biopsy is taken from the iliac crest. So for this question, it is option A. Proximal tibia is the correct answer for this question, that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question, number 146. Which method of platelets counting is preferred for accurate count? And the options are: A. Countering chamber method, B. Slide method, C. Colorimetry assay, D. Holder's method. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A. Countering chamber or Neubauer's counting chamber method is the most accurate method for the platelet count. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 147. Which diluent is good for RBC and platelet counting? And the options are: A. Formal saline, B. Formal citrate, C. Sodium citrate, D. Formalin. Formal saline is a fixative. Formal citrate is the diluent used for the RBC and platelet counting. Sodium citrate is an anticoagulant, and formalin is a preservative used in the histopathology or anatomy. So from the given information we can say it is option B. Formal citrate is the correct answer, that is a good diluent for RBCs and platelet counting. Move to the next question, number 148. Which protein is synthesized by platelets? And the options are: A. Albumin, B. Globulin, C. Fibrinogen, D. Collagen. And the correct answer for this question, it is option C. Fibrinogen is the protein that is synthesized by the platelet. Option C is the correct answer for this question. that you have to remember for this particular question. Move to the next question number 149. What is the normal breeding time by Duke's method? And the options are A 1 to 6 minute, B 6 to 10 minute, C 10 to 14 minute, D 15 to 20 minute. And the correct answer for this question it is option A 1 to 6 minute is the normal breeding time by Duke's method that you can remember for this question. Move to the next question number 150. Menstrual blood generally does not clot due to the presence of which substance in uterine wall? And the options are A thrombin activators, B plasmin activators, C anticoagulants, D hydrogen. And the fact or correct answer for this question it is option B plasmin. Due to the presence of plasmin activators in the menstrual blood, it is generally does not clots. Okay, so option B plasmin activator is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 151. Mostly Rh antibodies are of which class? And the options are A IgE, B IgD, C IgG, and option D IgM. Talking about the class of various antibodies, Rh antibodies are belongs to the Ig class of antibodies, IgG, particularly IgG1 and IgG3, whereas the ABO antibodies are belong to the class of IgM antibodies. So here we can say it is option C IgG is the correct answer for this question. If it is asked for ABO blood antibodies, then option D IgM will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 152. The reaction between antigen and antibody is known as option A hemolysis, B autoagglutination, C agglutination, D pan-agglutination. And the correct answer for this question it is the reaction between antigen and antibody is known as the agglutination. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 153. The agglutinogen developed in the embryo after how many days of conception? And the options are A 10 days, B 20 days, C 30 days, D 40 days. Generally it is developed or agglutinogen are developed in the embryo after 40 days of the conception. So option D 40 is the correct answer for this question that you can remember for this particular question. Move to the next question number 154. Content of which mineral is increased in the cell during the cold storage of blood? And the options are A sodium, B potassium, C calcium, D phosphorus. The fact or information available regarding this question it is content of sodium mineral is increases in the cell during the cold storage of blood, whereas content of potassium is contradictory, decreases in the during the cold storage of blood. So option A sodium is the correct answer for this question. And if it is asked as a which content is decreases, then the option B potassium will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 155. Transfusion of blood or blood products previously collected from the same person is called option A direct transfusion, B indirect transfusion, C autologous transfusion, D homologous transfusion. Here you may be confused between autologous transfusion and homologous transfusion, and the difference between autologous and homologous transfusion it is autologous is the transfusion of blood and blood products previously collected from the same person, whereas the homologous blood transfusion is the transfusion of blood or blood products previously collected from different persons. So here we can say it is option C autologous is the correct answer for this question that you have to remember for this question. Move to the next question number 156. Which reagent is used as a primary stain of Gram stain? And the options are A Lugol's iodine, B crystal violet, C. Acetone, D. Safranin. And the information available regarding this question, it is Lugol's iodine, which acts as a mordant in gram staining. Crystal violet is act as a primary stain, whereas safranin is act as a counter or secondary stain. So we can say option B, crystal violet, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 157. Which solution divides the bacteria into acid fast and non-acid fast? And the options are A. Albert stain, B. Gram stain, C. Gill-Nielsen stain, D. Malachite green stain. And it is also one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question, it is option C. Gill-Nielsen stain or acid fast stain is the stain that divides bacteria into two groups, acid fast and non-acid fast. So option C, Gill-Nielsen stain, is the correct answer for this question. Gram stain is the stain that differentiates bacteria into gram positive and gram negative groups. So here option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 158. Which gas is commonly used for sterilization of operation theaters? And the options are A. Formaldehyde, B. Beta propiolactone, C. Ethylene oxide, D. Methylene oxide. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A. Formaldehyde is the gas that is commonly used with the concentration of 40% to sterilize the operation theaters and intensive care units. So here it is option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 159. Widely used solidifying agent for the preparation of solid media is option A. Blood, B. Peptone water, C. Agar, D. Broth. And it is also one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question, it is option C. Agar is a widely used or universally used solidifying agent for the preparation of solid medias. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 160. Which type of media contains the substance that prevents the growth of microorganism? Options are A. Enriched media, A. Enrichment media, B. Enriched media, C. Selective media, D. Transport media. Talking about the selective media, as the name suggests, selective media is used to select for the growth of particular microorganism while inhibiting the growth of other or rest of the microorganism. So from the given information, we can say it is option C, selective media, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 161. For pasteurization of milk, it is heated how long at 63 degrees Celsius temperature? And the options are A. 20 minutes, B. 40 minutes, C. 30 minutes, D. 50 minutes. And the correct answer for this question, as per the answer key, it is option A. 20 minutes, but in some facts they are, or in some books they are giving 30 minutes to be the time for pasteurizing the milk at 63 degrees Celsius. So you can clear between option A and option C, but as per the answer key, it is option A. 20 minutes is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 162. Which test is used to differentiate gram negative bacilli? And the options are A. Hydrogen sulfide test, B. Indole test, C. Lecithinase test, D. Deoxyribonuclease test. Fact about available regarding this question, it is Indole's test is used to differentiate species of Enterobacteriaceae, a large family of gram negative bacteria. So it is option B. Indole's test is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 163. Which antibiotic inhibits the cell wall synthesis? And the options are A. Penicillin, B. Polymyxin, C. Tetracycline, D. Erythromycin. And the information available regarding this question, it is penicillin is the drug that binds with the peptidoglycans of the which has important structural role in the bacterial cell or cell wall. So it is option A, penicillin, that inhibits the synthesis of cell wall, and this way they kill the microorganism. So option A, penicillin, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 164. Which culture medium is used for antibiotic sensitivity test? And the options are A, blood agar, B, Thayer Martin medium, C, whey water, D, Muller Hilton broth. And the fact available regarding this question, it is this diffusion method is one of the most widely used antimicrobial or antibiotic susceptibility or sensitivity test, for which Muller Hilton agar or Muller Hilton broth medium is recommended. So from the given information, we can say option D will be the correct answer for this question. It will be the most appropriate answer if it is given as Muller Hilton agar, as per the my best knowledge. Move to the next question, number 165. Which among the following indicates the growth in culture medium? Option A, turbidity, B, precipitation, C, coagulation, D, pigment formation. And the information available for this question, it is turbidity measurement of microbial culture is a widely used method to determine the cell number of microorganism in a culture media. So it is turbidity that is used to measure the number of microorganism growing in the culture medium. Option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 166. Nosocomial infection is caused by which species of Pseudomonas? Option A, Pseudomallei, B, Aeruginosa, C, Malay, D, all of the above. And the correct answer for this question, it is generally caused by the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 167. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium. Option A, Preferens, B, Botulinum, C, difficile, D, tetani. And the correct answer for this question, it is generally caused by the Clostridium tetani. So option D, tetani, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 168. Bacillary dysentery is caused by option A, Shigella, B, Salmonella, C, Proteus species, D, Citrobacter. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A, Shigella, that causes the bacillary dysentery, whereas Salmonella is the responsible for causing typhoid and paratyphoid fever. So here option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 169. Which specimen is more appropriate for culture of bacteria in the first week of typhoid? And the options are A, feces, B, urine, C, blood, D, CSF. Fact available regarding this question, it is blood culture is often used as a definitive diagnosis of typhoid fever, while bone marrow culture has the greater sensitivity and considered preference standard. So it is blood or bone marrow culture will be the correct answer for this question. So here option C, blood, will be the correct answer, as it is given in the option. Option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 170. Which among the following is used for the detection of malarial parasite? Option A, platelets, B, packed red cells, C, serum, D, plasma. And the correct answer for this question, it is option B, packed red cells, where malarial parasite infects and grows. So we can detect the malarial parasite in packed or complete red cells. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Do not confuse between platelets and packed red cell. Option B will be the correct answer. Move to the next question, number 171. Which serological test is done in ascariasis? Option A, ELISA, B, BFT, C, CF, D, IHA. And the correct answer for this question, it is ELISA test is done or carried out to detect ascariasis, and BFT test is the test done for diagnosing Trichinella infection. So here it is option A. Option A, ELISA, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 172. Amoebic dysentery is caused by which parasites? And the options are A, Entamoeba histolytica, B, Giardia lamblia, C, Escherichia coli, B, Bacillus coli. And the correct answer for this question, it is generally caused by Entamoeba histolytica. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 173. Ribbon-like helminth parasite are known as option A, tapeworms, B, flukes, C, roundworms, D, amoeba. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A. Tapeworms are the worms that are usually appears as a ribbon-like helminth parasites. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 174. Chickenpox is caused by option A, herpes simplex, B, varicella, C, adenovirus, D, carnovirus. And the correct answer for this question, it is generally caused by the option B, varicella zoster virus, also known as short form VZV. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 175. The most commonly used cell lines for isolation of virus is option A, primary monkey kidney, B, human diploid fibroblast, C, HEP2, D, all of the above. And the fact or information available regarding this question, it is the most commonly used cell lines for isolation of virus are primary monkey kidney, human diploid fibroblast, MRC5, A549, HEP2. So we can say from the given information all of the options are included. So option D, all of the above, will be the correct answer for these questions that are used for the isolation of viruses. Move to the next question, number 176. The incubation period for hepatitis B virus is option A, 1 to 6 weeks, B, 1 to 6 months, C, 6 to 12 weeks, D, 6 to 12 months. And the correct answer for this question, it is option B, 1 to 6 months is the incubation period for hepatitis B. You can remember the various incubation periods for the all the hepatitis viruses, that is hepatitis A, C, E, etc., etc., that can be asked in various exams. So here it is option B, 1 to 6 months is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 177. Which of the following is the live vaccine? Option A, oral polio vaccine, B, hepatitis vaccine, C, rabies vaccine, D, influenza vaccines. And the examples of live vaccines are oral polio vaccine, measles, rotavirus, yellow fever vaccine, varicella zoster vaccine, and influenza vaccines. So from the given information or examples, we can say it is option A, oral polio vaccine is an example of live vaccine. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 178. The mosquito which acts as a vector for dengue fever is option A, Culex, B, Aedes, C, Anopheles, D, all of the above. Talking about the Culex mosquito is a vector for encephalitis or Japanese encephalitis. Aedes mosquito is the vector for dengue fever, and Anopheles is the mosquito that acts as a vector for malarial parasites. So from the given information, we can say option B, Aedes mosquito will be the correct answer, which serves as a or acts as a vector for dengue fever. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 179. Which test is used for leprosy patient? Option A, Schick test, B, Fry's test, C, Montague's test, D, Lapromin test. And the information available for all the test is Schick's test is the test susceptibility test used for diphtheria. Fry's test is a hypersensitivity reaction carried out. Fry's test is used for hypersensitivity reaction, measuring the hypersensitivity reaction, whereas Montek's test is the test usually carried out for diagnosing tuberculosis, and Lapromin's test is the test usually carried out to determine the or detect the leprosy. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 180. Which type of immunity is acquired by direct exposure of an antigen? Option A, active immunity. B, passive immunity. C, adaptive immunity. D, herd immunity. You have to remember all the four the terms and the definition. It is active immunity, that means that is acquired during the direct exposure of antigen. So option A will be the correct answer. And the passive immunity is the immunity that is acquired by giving the vaccination. So option A, active immunity, will be the correct answer for this question. You have to remember the definitions of all the four terms that can be asked in different ways. Move to the next question, number 181. How many major immunoglobulins are there? And the options are A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 8. And it is also one of the easiest and repeatedly asked question. Option C, there are 5 types of major immunoglobulins are there. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 182. The presence of which antibody in fetus indicates intrauterine infection? Options are option A, IgG, B, IgA, C, IgD, D, IgM. And the correct answer for this question, it is option D. Immunoglobulin M is the antibody that indicates the presence of immunoglobulin M indicates the intrauterine infection. So option number D, IgM, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 183. Alpha interferons is produced by option A, leukocytes, B, red blood cells, C, fibroblast, D, platelets. And the fact available regarding this question, it is alpha interferons are produced by the leukocytes except lymphocytes, and beta interferons are produced by the fibroblast, and gamma interferons are produced by the lymphocytes. So it is option A, leukocytes or WBC, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 184. Which type of hypersensitivity is called atopy? Is called as atopy. Option A, type 1, B, type 2, C, type 3, D, type 4. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A, type 1 hypersensitivity is generally known as the atopy. So option A will be the correct answer for this question, and you have to remember the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 185. Which of the following is an example of autoimmune disease? Options are A, myasthenia or myasthenia gravis, B, Addison's disease, C, pernicious anemia, D, all of the above. And the various examples of autoimmune diseases are rheumatoid arthritis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, type 1 diabetes mellitus, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis, systemic lupus erythematosus, and it is pernicious anemia also thought to be an autoimmune disease. So from the given information, we can say option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 186. LX test is used to detect toxin strains of which bacteria? In the options are A, Bacillus, B, Bordetella, C, Corynebacterium, D, Clostridium. And the correct answer for this question, it is LX test is used to detect the toxin strain of bacteria Corynebacterium diphtheria. So option C, Corynebacterium, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 187. The indicator used in complement fixation test consists of option A, rabbits red cells, B humans red cell, C sheep's red cell, D none of the above. And the correct answer for this question it is option D. Option C, sheep's red cells are incorporated or used in complement fixation test or used as indicator in complement fixation test. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 188. VDRL test is done for the diagnosis of option A syphilis, B Q fever, C influenza, D meningitis. And it is also one of the repeatedly and easiest question, and the correct answer for this question it is option A syphilis, for which VDRL test is carried out. And the full form of VDRL is also repeatedly asked. You can remember Venereal Disease Research Laboratory Test, but here option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 189. Metabolic disorder associated with abnormal metabolism of tyrosine is called option A albinism, C B alkaptonuria, C phenylketonuria, D tyrosinosis. And the fact or information available regarding this question it is alkaptonuria, also known as the black urine disorder or disease, is a metabolic disorder associated with the abnormal metabolism of tyrosine and or phenylalanine. So we can say it is option B, alkaptonuria is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 190. Which form of sugar is found in milk? And the options are A sucrose, B lactose, C maltose, D starch. And it is also one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question it is option B, lactose is the sugar that is found in the milk. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 191. In iodine test, which color precipitates indicates the presence of starch? And the options are A red, B blue, C yellow, D green. And the correct answer for this question it is option B, blue color will be indicates the presence of starch. So in iodine test, so option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 192. The end product of glycolysis is option A lactate, B oxaloacetate, C pyruvate, D acetyl CoA. And for this question you may be confused between lactate and pyruvate. To clarify this, pyruvate is the end product of glycolysis in aerobic glycolysis and lactate is the end product of glycolysis in anaerobic glycolysis, but we generally consider it as a aerobic glycolysis. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 193. The conversion of lactic acid to glucose occurs at option A glycolysis, B Cori's cycle, C urea cycle, D HMP shunt, hexose monophosphate shunt. And the correct answer for this question it is option B Cori's cycle, where the conversion of lactic acid to glucose occurs. So option B Cori's cycle is the correct answer for this question. It is occurs in the particularly in liver. Cori's cycles occurs in liver. That you can also remember for this question. Move to the next question number 194. Breakdown of glycogen to glucose is termed as option A glycolysis, B glycogenolysis, C glycogenesis, D gluconeogenesis. You have to remember all the four terms with definition and their meaning. Glycolysis means the breakdown of glucose. Glycogenolysis is the breakdown of glycogen to glucose, whereas glycogenesis is the formation of glycogen, and gluconeogenesis is the process of formation of glucose. So we can say it is option B glycogenolysis is the breakdown of the glycogen to glucose. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 195. Urea cycles occurs in which part of body? And the options are A kidney, B stomach, C liver, D heart. and you have to remember the correct answer for this question. It is occurs in the livers. Option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 196. Which method is most commonly used for uric acid estimation? And the options are A. Barthelot's method, B. Kerway's method, C. Diacetyl monoxime method, D. Sulfosalicylic acid test. Talking about Barthelot's test is a measurement. It is a test used to measurement of ammonia. Kerway's method is used for the estimation of uric acid. Diacetyl monoxide method is used for the estimation of urea, and sulfosalicylic acid is used to detect presence of protein in urine. So from the given information we can say option B, Kerway's method, is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 197. The separation of charged particles through an electrolyte under the influence of an electric current is called option A, chromatography, B, electrophoresis, C, immunofluorescence, D, immunodiffusion. And the fact available regarding this question, it is electrophoresis is a laboratory technique used to separate DNA, RNA or protein molecules based on their size and electrical charge. So from this question, from this information we can say option B, electrophoresis, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 198. Excess quantity of fat which is excreted in feces is known as option A, steatorrhea, B, proteinemia, C, azotemia, D, hematuria. Talking about steatorrhea, steatorrhea is the condition where we detect the excess quantity of fat in the feces, whereas azotemia is the excess amount of blood, urea, nitrogen and creatinine in the urine, and hematuria is the presence of blood in the urine, is the term used to detect or denote the blood in the urine. So from the given information we can say it is steatorrhea, that means the excessive quantity of fat excreted in feces. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 199. Which disease is caused due to the low iodine diet? Options are A, goiter, B, acromegaly, C, cretinism, D, beriberi. Talking about all the four options, goiter is the disease or condition occurs due to the deficiency of iodine. Acromegaly occurs due to the excess of growth hormone. Cretinism is the condition occurs due to the hyposecretion of thyroid hormone, and beriberi is the condition or disease occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, that is thiamine. So option A, goiter, will be the answer for this question. Move to the next and last question of this question paper. Which hormone is detected in urine or serum to detect pregnancy? Also one of the repeatedly asked question, and the options are A, T3, B, androgen, C, HCG, D, oxytocin. And the correct answer for this question, it is option C, HCG, human chorionic gonadotropic hormone, is detected to detect the or diagnose the pregnancy. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share our videos with your friends who are preparing for the upcoming GPSSB, UPSSC and OSSSC and UP NHM lab technician exams. That is going to be very helpful for all of you. And if you like our work, then like and subscribe our channel LabTech World. Thank you very much.